Haga jingwan shimbenta jong nong Rwai nong wei ubrans Adam hasilong haga babun na kipat ba kila ap kamilan tibaha kabala bu banlong haga spel turik unok pra ar hajar ar pusau hajawa haral Nehru Stadium hasilong na kaliang ka sorkar jela kala pentik na kipat ba aba en penbahai Rukom Pyniaid kali haki surok kenang banlaj na kino ki jing pentun menteri ka tenat ki kam jengok kai perthai ka jela uba pol lingdo ulakam bakat ba ka jing peden kam yok surok hanong ba shilong kala nangkiu namar ka jing kiu hakaliang ka yok kon Henry ka sorkar jela kan persang ban penbej renti ban Pynbiang bat ban pentik nai ka jing yaj bej yaj renti jong ki kali hakatai ka sngi da ka ba ula penpau ba ka sorkar jela kala thmu ban penlong ya kum kitei ki program ban wan ra ka jing mentoi haka jela ka ba klem kino ki jing ula banjuru bagi pat ba aslong ki dei ki ba i ki jing Rwai na saudong ka perthei bat ru kan long ka jing wan ra jing mentoi haka jela na kum kitei ki jat program
Shillong, the roads are narrow, buildings are coming up and mushrooming, which again is a sign of the economic growth of the state. But for Bryan Adams, we certainly will ensure that we minimize inconvenience to the public. In fact, holding of these festivals is primarily to encourage tourist inflow into Meghalaya. But since the residents and the citizens of Meghalaya themselves are music lovers, they flock into these events. Now, what do? Can you tell them that since this is primarily for tourists, you are not welcome? So therefore, it's a situation where we have to make do with very difficult conditions and make the best use of those conditions. Detailed report in a day or two, but we have the most successful event ever, and for the first time several other states, including the tourism minister of Nagaland, had posted on his social media handles about the success of cherry blossom here in Meghalaya. So it's a huge success. What was once just a festival celebrated by locals, and the tourists those days were confined to tourists from within Meghalaya, local tourists. Today you have huge visitors from the rest of the country, and during Bryan Adams show we expect international tourists as well.